Welcome to our channel One to Step, where we post tutorial videos, and in today's video I will be teaching you guys how you guys can add music to your Canva. And it's pretty simple, so follow the steps. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, hit that subscribe to our channel. Let's move on. First step, I'm going to open a random project just to show you guys how to import it over there, but you guys can follow the same steps on your existing project. Alright, so if you open a Canva project, it's going to look something like this. So my page hasn't loaded. Let's wait. And if your page looks something like this, what you can do is go on where it says apps, and from inside your app where it says search, you want to write audio. Once you search for audio, what you want to do is the audio option is going to be shown over here just like this. Click on it and then it's going to show you all these options. But if you see this, it means pro, which means you need to pay for Canva Pro to use it. But there are also some free music which you guys can use. If you like any music, you can just choose the music which you want. Let's say I'm going to go for a random one. Do I have to pay for everything? Okay, as you guys can see, it's a free over here. I can just click on it and it's going to be added over here and I can use it. And if I want to use custom music, which means my own music, what I can do is click on upload and go on the audio section of upload, and what I need to do is drag and drop an audio file over here. So this is the audio file. I can just drag it and drop it over here. Once I do that, it'll start uploading. Let's wait for some time until it uploads, and after it's uploaded, I can just click on it and it's going to be added over here just like this, as you guys can see. So yeah, that's how you guys can use audio on Canva or add music on Canva. If you guys found our video helpful, hit that subscribe to our channel One Step. I'll see you guys next time.